Okay guys, welcome to Reality. Today we just walking about we checking out Dobsonville. Yeah, we're here now at this is in Dingley's, but we just want to see what Dobsonville has to offer. Yeah, it's a call that you made, guys. Some of you, they said I must come here in Dobsonville. There's some nice places over here that I must check out. Yes. Okay, let's check Dobsy. Okay guys, we're here at Dobsonville, so we're just checking it out here. Yeah. Sure. Umi out what you want put? What's your name? Dennis.
Yeah.
So dilangani?
Mina ndila ngama promotion promoting this thing. I have 2 gig lana ne for 19 for 30 rates ne. Plus more, but these 2 gig you can direct 60 rents a time that you can call any network anytime.
Oh, that's LC, yeah?
LC and 30 rand per day.
Oh,
and you have 100 gig of food in 270, you understand? Yeah, for 30 days. If you didn't finish the data then, you can put it 10 rands and then bazu top up pela amana bazu gaili 30 days.
Oh, that's interesting, yeah? Exactly. Yeah, I still see, it's pushing. So you're staying around? You're staying around here in Dobsonville? Oh, I like Bromfish.
Yeah.
But still Bromfish is under Dobsonville?
No, it's not under Dobsonville.
Just Makelwa?
Yeah, Makelwa, and I think it's under Rodeport, yeah.
It's under Rodeport? Okay. Oh, alright. Oh, it's not part of Soweto, they do Bromfish,
No, yeah, it's not part of Soweto. But you can say like that, but
people they say it's under Soweto. In Rodeport, yeah. Because I've heard that history Dobsonville used to be part of Rodeport.
Sure. Yeah, so
but in 1994 they merged it to Soweto. Yeah, to Joburg. Yeah. Maybe in Bromfish. Yeah. I see song about how push and feed. The song. Hola. Yeah, I'm calling it. So which channel do you on?
Oh, YouTube.
Story edit.
Sure.
How
much it on Hispana now?
On Hispana now. These are out. Hola, much it. Sharp. I saw one. Okay, guys. Let's check Dobsonville out. Okay. Just want to check out the shopping center, but we will just do a brief tour. I won't stay too long here, guys. So Dobsonville is situated in the western parts of Soweto. So very close to Rodeport. According to history, Dobsonville was part of Rodeport municipality. But in 1994, Dobsonville was merged to Soweto. So where we are now, we are in Soweto. So this is it, as you see there, Dobsonville Mall. So it's quite big. There's different shops. So everything you need to do in a shopping center, here you can find all the shops, the essential shops you can find here. Okay, so this is the northern part of Dobsonville Mall. You see there's Pick and Pay, Dobsy Bank, different banks. As you see, even Net Bank, and so on. And all these different franchises of restaurants. Hello guys, just giving you some glimpses of Dobsonville Mall. How full it is. It's full. I've never seen a shopping center in Soweto full as this one. Too many people here. It accommodates Dobsonville, Midlands, Bramfisherville, Mfulo, there's a lot, Zola, so on and so forth. Looking for an ATM just to withdraw some money. Yes, this is Dobsonville, guys. Yes. So what you want to do, guys, we just want to walk through this shopping center there. So mama, we're just walking through. There's also ShopRite. That means there's two big supermarkets. There's Pick n Pay and also ShopRite. And there's lots of queues. Yeah, because it's month end now. And then people are queuing for the ATMs to withdraw money there, do some deposits and stuff. So where we're headed to, guys, we're headed to Dobsonville Extension. We just want to check it out that side. So we're just doing a brief visit around here in this mall, Dobsonville Mall. Dobsonville Mall is big. I also see the Spa supermarket. It's really big. It has 3 supermarkets: Pick n Pay, ShopRite, and Spa. Wow, that's big. Yeah? But you can tell the population here around, because I think it accommodates Middlelands, Dobsonville, and the areas around. So this is the other entrance of the mall. Hey guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, I would like to hear your views regarding this mall. Okay, sharp. Pixie camera then. So ngamba straight?
It was straight. Then utokopana lesikolo. This is way. Uhambe straight. Moto giganteng uzokopana na ubona wangifika.
How to shoot?
Utokopana bidi shop, the shop tsa teng khatiki Mashaba.
Okay. Okay.
Then maulaphi mashopeni.
Babu, okay.
Then bataka directed to Extention 2. Extension is cool.
Oyihole na. Okay, uqhubeka isiwa this side yaqhubeka ya. Okay, yakudika.
How to get to Pakane taxi?
Mara ka walk exercise.
Oh,
yeah.
Good.
Alright.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah. Ngiyabonga ma.
Direct. How fika ko or don't go school, how fika ko school. Go back go rang direct.
Yeah.
Then that's go direct until to Mashaba, then it will like
Mashaba.
Hamba yes.
No stress angiyibo. Siyobuza phambili. Ngiyabonga ne. Yeah. Sharp man. Okay guys, so we headed to Dobsonville Extension. So we just passed the shopping center. We were asking the lady here. So she said we must go straight and then we'll see a school and then turn to the left and continue. Yeah, that's where we're headed guys.